What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is actually almost a bit of a sad one really. As most of you guys already know, we have been looking at going on a bit of an adventure over the UK Europe ways, and our house actually finally sold right as we were about to take it off the market. It actually worked out quite well because we know the new owners, but it is definitely sad. Check this out. Little office area, new owners keeping the office chair, but it's all pretty well emptied out. I just got some scrap there to get rid of. It's definitely a weird feeling, like super excited but also super sad. It's like turning a whole new chapter because there's plenty of good times in this shed. The amount of hours I spent out here is ridiculous. So this is like the last trip of big stuff. Just got the Dale 30 loaded up, borrowed the old man's V8 diesel wagon so we can get this loaded up. A couple of bits of tube and stuff just tied down in the middle there, and pretty much just saying adios. I've got to come back tomorrow night, get rid of the scrap and a bit of a rubbish and have a sweep up. But it is on to the next adventure. So we've only got about 28 days now until we set sail to the UK. We fly out from Auckland and then I think we land in England on the 25th of July. So it is all go at the moment. We're just staying in a temporary rental over in Pyrrell. The man just had a house come up empty, which is super convenient and handy. And then we get on the plane. So I'm super excited for the upcoming adventure, but I figured I'm just going to throw together a random collage video, whatever you call it, compilation of just antics in the shed, working on things, all that sort of carry on. So check this out. So thanks for watching this video. It's probably a bit short and sweet. I definitely am sad about this. Like it's just like, oh man, super excited for the adventure, but then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna miss this place. But it's onwards and upwards. Feel like we're in a bit of a rut. So we've got to get out of that rut and go back outside of our comfort zone and just hit the road. Pretty much no plan. We've only got the first week of accommodation booked when we get there, and it's one-way tickets. So we'll just figure it out. So there'll be plenty of adventure videos coming up. So cheers for checking out this one guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Woo!